It was the late 19th century. Electricity was new, mysterious, and full of danger. And in a small laboratory in New York City stood a man surrounded by blue lightning. His name was Nikola Tesla. A mind far ahead of its time. From alternating current to radio, from remote control to wireless energy, his inventions changed the world forever. Tesla's greatest gift to humanity was the alternating current system. Before Tesla, Thomas Edison promoted direct current, or DC. But direct current could travel only short distances and lost power quickly. Tesla's alternating current, or AC, changed everything. It could be sent over long distances using transformers and high-voltage lines. In the year 1887, Tesla built the first induction motor and a polyphase AC system. Industrialist George Westinghouse saw its potential and bought Tesla's patents. Together, they started what became known as the War of Currents, AC versus DC. In 1893, Tesla's system lit up the world's Columbian Exposition in Chicago, the first fair ever illuminated by electric light. Just 2 years later, the same technology powered the Niagara Falls hydroelectric plant, the first large-scale power station in history. By the early 1900s, Tesla's AC system had become the global standard for electrical power. At the heart of that system was Tesla's brilliant induction motor. He patented it in 1888. It used a rotating magnetic field, created by alternating current, to spin a rotor without any physical contact. This invention powers our world to this day, in factories, homes, and even electric cars. Tesla's motor turned electricity into motion and imagination into reality. In 1891, Tesla invented the Tesla coil, a high-frequency transformer capable of generating millions of volts. These coils were not just for lightning displays. They were tools for studying high-voltage currents and wireless transmission of energy. The Tesla coil became the foundation of early radio transmitters, X-ray experiments, and modern wireless technology. Even today, its principles are used in radio antennas, medical devices, and wireless charging systems. In 1893, Tesla demonstrated wireless communication in St. Louis. He showed that messages could travel through the air without wires. He filed a radio patent in 1897, 2 years before Guglielmo Marconi sent his first signal. Years later, in 1943, the United States Supreme Court recognized Tesla's earlier patents, officially crediting him as the true inventor of radio. His experiments opened the door to broadcasting, telecommunications, and the wireless world we live in today. In 1898, at Madison Square Garden, Tesla revealed something the world had never seen: a small boat controlled entirely by radio waves. He called it Teleautomatics, the first remote-controlled machine in history. The audience thought it was magic. But it was pure science, and the first step toward modern robotics, drones, and automation. Tesla's boldest dream was the Wardenclyffe Tower, built in 1901 on Long Island. He planned to transmit electricity and information wirelessly across the Earth. The project was funded by J.P. Morgan, but when investors realized there was no way to sell wireless energy, the funding stopped. By 1917, the unfinished tower was demolished. Tesla's dream of free global power was lost. But his vision inspired generations of engineers. Today, technologies like radio, Wi-Fi, and wireless charging trace their origins back to Tesla's work at Wardenclyffe. Tesla's mind produced invention after invention. He built the Tesla turbine, a bladeless engine that used smooth metal discs instead of blades. He studied X-rays, experimented with neon and fluorescent lighting, and even designed early concepts for radar and vertical takeoff aircraft. He dreamed of a world wireless system, one that could send power, sound, and images through the air. In many ways, he predicted the internet and global communication long before they existed. Nikola Tesla died in 1943 in his hotel room in New York City. He held over 300 patents, yet had little money and almost no recognition. But time has proven him right. His alternating current system powers our cities. His motor drives our industries. His radio waves carry our voices. And his imagination still shapes the future. Tesla once said, "The present is theirs. The future, for which I really worked, is mine." And today, that future truly belongs to Nikola Tesla.